Hold on to your hats, folks, because here's a shocker. Piranhas are more likely to nibble on a fig than on you. Yes, you heard that right. These notorious fish, often depicted as ferocious predators, are actually more interested in fruits and plants. Yep, you read that right. These toothy fish, infamous for their ferocious image, are victims of a bad rap. In reality, they play a crucial role in their ecosystem, helping to keep the river clean by eating dead and decaying matter. Hollywood has a lot to answer for. For decades, piranhas have been typecast as the villains of the Amazon, relentless eating machines in a feeding frenzy. These dramatic portrayals have done little justice to the true nature of these fascinating creatures. But this couldn't be further from the truth. These fascinating creatures are much more than razor-sharp teeth and a taste for blood. They are social animals, often found swimming in schools, and their diet is far more varied than popular culture suggests. Fueled by sensationalized stories and scary movies, the myth of the man-eating piranha has persisted. These tales have overshadowed the reality that piranhas are generally shy and avoid human contact. Even Theodore Roosevelt, the rough-riding president, wasn't immune to exaggeration after his Amazon adventures. His accounts added to the mystique and fear surrounding these fish. But it's time to separate fact from fiction and dive into the real world of piranhas. By understanding their true behavior and ecological importance, we can appreciate these misunderstood creatures for what they truly are. The truth is, piranhas are opportunistic omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. This means they're not picky eaters. They consume a wide range of food items available in their habitat. While they do have a taste for meat, it's not their only source of sustenance. They also feed on fruits, seeds, and even insects. Their diet is surprisingly varied and plays a vital role in keeping their ecosystem healthy. By consuming different types of food, they help maintain the balance in their environment. Piranhas are actually quite shy and skittish. They tend to avoid confrontation whenever possible. They'd much rather make a quick getaway than confront a large animal, let alone a human. Their instinct is to flee from danger. Their fearsome reputation is largely undeserved. In reality, they are more likely to be scared of you than you are of them. Think of them as the cleanup crew of the Amazon, munching on dead fish and keeping the waters clean. They play an essential role in the ecosystem by scavenging and preventing the buildup of waste. They're not the bloodthirsty monsters they're made out to be. Instead, they are an important part of the river's natural balance. Forget the image of a crazed feeding frenzy. Piranhas are actually quite strategic when it comes to their meals. Their diet changes depending on the season and what's available. They're not opposed to a juicy insect or a tasty crustacean either. And yes, they do eat other fish, but usually the smaller or weaker ones. It's all about survival in the Amazon. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth are perfectly designed for their diverse diet. They can crack open hard seeds, tear through flesh, and even nibble on soft fruits. Safety in numbers piranha's social life. Piranhas aren't solitary creatures lurking in the shadows. They're social butterflies, or should we say social piranhas. They live in groups called shoals for protection, not for hunting. This synchronized swimming helps to confuse predators and increases their chances of survival. It's like a fishy flash mob. Within these shoals, there's a pecking order. The larger, older piranhas are the bosses, while the younger ones know their place. It's all about keeping things organized in the piranha world. Surprising serenades, the sounds of piranhas. In this section, we dive deep into the fascinating world of piranha communication. Get ready for another shocker. Piranhas are quite the chatterboxes. Yes, you heard that right. These fish are not just silent predators lurking in the water. Well, not quite chatterboxes, but they do communicate through sound. This might come as a surprise to many, but piranhas have a rich vocal repertoire. They make a variety of noises, from barks to growls to chirps. Each sound serves a specific purpose in their underwater world. These sounds are used for a variety of reasons, like defending their territory, attracting mates, or warning off rivals. It's a complex system of communication that helps them survive. It's their way of talking to each other in the murky depths. Imagine the underwater conversations happening right beneath the surface. So next time you think of piranhas, don't just think sharp teeth and scary movies. Think of their unique way of life and their ability to communicate. Remember their unexpected diet, their social lives, and their surprising vocal talents. These aspects make them truly fascinating creatures. These misunderstood creatures are much more than meets the eye. They are a testament to the wonders of nature and the complexity of life underwater. Leave a comment if you thought piranhas are scary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like. See you for the next one.